ISE 2024, and it is starting in the only way possible. In fact, the last time we talked, you were the first as well.
I'm always your first.
You should always be the first. We are at British history makers, Meridian Audio.
That's us. We do make history, we do make technology, and we make beautiful things as well.
Introduce yourself, please.
Oh yeah, hi everyone. I'm Barry from Meridian.
Nice.
Great to see you here. Look forward to seeing you at the show as well. Stand 2G400.
Panic
Remembered
there.
perfectly.
Yeah.
No, not at all. I was just saying it clearly for everyone.
All right. Nice. Yes. So, Barry, I saw you 6 months ago. Shall we go into what's new, or should we go back on what is already here?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's when you have products which are iconic and have an iconic look and design, it's very easy to say, oh yeah, I saw that before. It's still amazing, it's still awesome, and it's been joined as well. So this extreme engineering program that our engineering team have undertook, we now have 3 products from there. So we have the 8000 XE, the performance pack for existing customers, which has been really popular. So that's where the integrator can go back to a client, upgrade their existing system with some of the latest technology. That's been a really nice upgrade. Plus you're back in the client's house. There's other stuff they might want to buy while you're in there. And then we've got a trio of the beautiful DSP9,
I know,
which we're super proud of. Multiple award winning. I know a lot of people have had a chance to hear them. There's still many that haven't. But that's been really fantastic for us. It kind of changes the mold and has something that looks completely different to what we've created before. Really fits in with the interior, but has all of the performance that we showcased first with the XE.
Yeah, that's it. I see there's a lovely baby blue.
Yeah, that's officially, it's a pigeon blue, which is a McLaren colour.
It's not as sexy, is it? When
No.
it says pigeon blue.
Yeah.
Okay, what have you brought to ISC?
Well, we brought something new. Yeah.
Which will be B-roll.
Yeah, cut now.
Cut now.
So yeah, what we wanted to do is, as we always do, we take feedback from the integrators. So we're showcasing something which you'll see in the B-roll. I'm not going to explain what it is now. But what we want to do is invite feedback from you guys to say, yeah, it's cool, but yeah, it's cool, I like it, and
yeah,
I could sell it or otherwise. And then we can take that back to the product team and we can make some changes and refinements. So do come over and see us. We really look forward to getting some feedback on that and what people think. And it's really a solution to help you upgrade the audio of a television.
Just briefly describe it.
It's a way of utilising our existing award-winning range of architectural loudspeakers, but without having to install them in the wall. So it's a mounting system which conceals the television within a frame, and then you have the electronics hidden behind the television with one of our loudspeakers underneath it. Using our image elevation technology, we bring the vocals up to the center of the screen. So you get basically a really awesome soundbar experience with any of our architectural series. But what we want to do is get some feedback on what size TV is popular. Would one work with left plus right mode? Would you like a stereo pair? So we want to take that information back and then see what the market says.
Excellent. It is a beautiful looking piece of kit that you've produced over there.
Yeah, usual.
I've asked for it for a long time, a soundbar.
Yeah.
So
well,
finally,
we've delivered our version of how that should be done.
Yeah.
And it's the same standard as before, beautifully made in the UK. So yeah, pop over, have a look, let us know what you think.
Will it be popped into the new showroom? Or the updated showroom?
Yeah, we will. So there's some plans to add more demo spaces for us in 2024. So yes, absolutely, it will feature in that space as well.
And if you want to go and see them, where do they go, Barry?
Well, you could come to see us in our lovely headquarters in Huntingdon. You can also find us on the socials.
On the socials.
They're probably down here.
Lot of pressure on David now to put those socials scrolling down.
Distributed by Meridian. You can find us online as well. So yeah, be able to see us on there. Or just give us a call, pop up and see us. We'll show you around, show you what's new, show you what's cool, show you what you could put into your new projects as well.
Fabulous, Barry. As always, I appreciate your time. Enjoy the show. Hopefully, it's an amazing experience. It looks like it's going to be brilliant.
I think it's going to be a great show. Really excited. Yeah, look forward to seeing you guys soon.
Cheers.